Well, we do have some decent rain chances returning tomorrow. Some showers or maybe a couple storms could fire up on Tuesday. A cold front's rolling in. Finally a chance to cool off, so we won't be seeing those 90s back in the forecast for a while. Tomorrow should still be at least around 80 or higher, depending on whatever sun's able to get through. But cold front kind of moving through later tomorrow evening and night. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, clouds, some showers at times, cooler weather. There's not really a lot of cold air with this front, and just kind of the wind switching more around toward the north and the humidity coming down. A lot of clouds really blocking out the sun could be the major culprit for really lowering temperatures. So I think you won't see much sun, especially by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just a lot of clouds and occasionally some rain showers around. Now you see right now the First 1.5 Doppler network has trended toward the showers decreasing. We did have a pretty good flare up with some rain over the lower valley around lunchtime, even over 1.5 inches of rain in the Brownsville area. But now things kind of settling down a bit. There are still a couple showers going in Starr County. If we zoom in though, the showers we showed you earlier still fairly heavily right over about the Robertson and La Gloria area near Delmita. All this moving off mainly, I guess you could say, a little bit toward the north and northeast, kind of just drifting around, but some decent heavy rain briefly falling in some of those areas. Down to the south, a little shower flared up and moving east near Las Lomas and just east of Rio Grande City, but not too much rain with that. And that's about it in the valley right now. Temperatures still hot in Rio Grande City, 93, but most places in the upper 70s and 80s because of the clouds and showers have come through. So down to 75 in Brownsville, 77 in Weslaco and in Harlingen. Evening planner, most areas are going to be dry. There still may be a little shower in spots at times this evening or tonight, but most of the time just some clouds. Temperatures falling through the 70s this evening and should stay right around 70 for lows very late tonight. Now you look at South Texas on the satellite radar. There's not a lot of rain in terms of big areas of rain over land. Most of the rain over water and just some daytime showers and a couple little storms inland. But we do have another chance tomorrow to see the showers and storms try to form again. Cold fronts in North Texas and this front dropping south during the day tomorrow should start to bring some cooler weather by tomorrow night and Wednesday. Future track, you can see by 6 p.m. it's not showing much rain at all left. Again, there might be a little shower in spots still this evening, and even tonight a little shower or two may flare up. Tomorrow during the day though, we do have a lot of moisture in the air, so we could see a flare up of showers and a couple of storms around. Some brief heavy rain is possible again. Like we saw today, maybe 1.5 inches of rain fell in Cameron County, and could see spots of rain like that again tomorrow with all that moisture in the air. But once things settle down later tomorrow night, the cold front moves through, and then less rain on Wednesday. I think Wednesday's a day when you might see just mainly clouds and occasionally a little sprinkle or some light rain at times. So mainly just cloudy, cooler weather for Wednesday, and then even going into Thursday, some clouds around most of the time, and we could see a flare up of some showers again later in the day. But most of Thursday looking kind of on the cloudy, cooler side. And how cool? Well, we'll show you in a second. You might actually put a smile on your face on this Monday. 50% chance for rain tomorrow, though, of a shower or storm, and then down to 30% chance for mainly light rain showers on Wednesday and Thursday, but most of the time probably just kind of cloudy out there. So your first 1.5 7-day forecast, it's going to blow your mind. Look at these numbers. Oh, finally, no more 90s in the forecast. Highs around 84 tomorrow, and that might even be pushing it depending on how many showers there are around, but generally not too cool tomorrow. You feel the humidity start to drop on Wednesday with more clouds, some light rain showers and spots, but mostly just clouds, I think, and highs in the 70s. I can't remember the last time we had highs in the 70s. That sounds like a fun fact we'll have to look up later on Channel 5 News at 6. But then look at this, Thursday and Friday, still some clouds around at times and temperatures mostly in the 70s. I think the bulk of the rain, whatever rain there is, kind of wraps up Friday, and then the weekend just maybe a spotty shower on Saturday, but highs gradually climb back up to near 80 or better by early next week. So we'll keep tracking any rain and the cooler weather in your first 1.5 forecast. Letty?
All right.